Pozdravljeni, moje ime je Mojmir in vi ste v kuhinji za najboljše. Tokrat bomo pobliže spoznali japonsko kulinariko in ne bomo delali sušija. Spoznali bomo, da je vredno poizkusiti tudi druge specialitete in da ni le suši edina. Zato je danes z nami Shin Sato. Shin, hi.
Dobro dan, Mojmir.
So tell us what we're going to prepare today.
Yeah, we are going to prepare chawanmushi pudding and sukiyaki today.
Torej, za naš chawanmushi bomo potrebovali dashi, jajca, piščanca, korenje, šampinjone, šparglje, pašteto, tartufe, smetano in mleko. Za naš sukiyaki pa bomo potrebovali goveji rumsteak oziroma roast beef, goveji loj, daikon repo oziroma pivsko repo, azijske rezance, čebulo, bukove ostrigarje, tofu, mlado čebulo, svežo repo in potem pa sake, mirin in pa sojino omako. So, Shin, I suggest we start working. I'll do the pudding and you do the sukiyaki.
Okay.
So, Shin, tell me, what brought you to Slovenia?
Yeah, before coming to Slovenia, I was in London for 3 years and I had felt homesick there. I kind of missing mountains. And then brother told me Slovenia is good mountainous country and beautiful. And then I decided to come here and I found work here.
So, how do you like Slovenia? Enough mountains?
Yes. I live in Ljubljana and this city is amazing. Just 1 hour approach to the mountain and 1 hour drive to seaside. For me it's really
That's true.
beautiful.
Tako, za naš chawanmushi puding bom jaz pripravil piščanca, ki ga bom mariniral z sake. Skuhal bom zelenjavo, korenček, šampinjone in pa špargle. Potem bom to vse skupaj združil v lonček, bom prelil z jajci in dashijem. Shin ta čas že pripravlja omake, in sicer 2 omaki. Eno bomo uporabili za meso, v kateri isti posodi bomo na to še uporabili drugo omako za zelenjavo. So, Shin, tell me, and what's so special about the sukiyaki? When do you prepare it?
Yes, this is social dish because when we have guests, then we very often prepare this dish.
So, you cook all together and then you eat at the same time?
Yes, that's true. We kind of share how cooking and eating, so we feel really homey.
Okay.
And this is really good.
Kakor je Shin rekel, je ta jed zelo družabna, saj se vsi zberejo v eni sobi, ko pridejo gostje domov in istočasno vsi skupaj kuhajo in zraven še probavajo in jejo to jed v 2 stopnjah, tako da se vsi počutijo zelo domače in družabno. So, Shin, where did the name sukiyaki came from?
It's grilling on the spade. This dish came from peasant. Eating beef, it was prohibited in Japan for a long time.
Really?
Because cows and horses, it's a precious workhorse for garden.
Okay, so they rather use them than eat them.
Yes, and only farmers kind of allow to cook them
To
and
kill
eat
the
them.
animals.
Yeah, and they cook using spade, iron spade for grill. And the name is from
So we'll also use the iron span.
Yes, today we kind of follow the tradition.
Of course. Tako, danes se bomo držali tradicionalne priprave, kot so včasih delali kmetje na Japonskem, in bomo to jed pripravili v litoželezni posodi.
Za goveji sukiyaki potrebujemo 400 g pljučnega fileja, 60 g govejega loja, 400 g tofuja, 2 čebuli, 4 mlade čebule, 100 g rukole, 8 bukovih ostrigarjev, 360 g azijskih rezancev, 1 pivsko repo, 6 žlic sladkorja, 140 ml soje omake, 80 ml sakeja in 120 ml mirina. Recept najdete na ave.si.
Tako, Shin je prej že naredil omako za govedino, in sicer iz sakeja in sojine omake. So, Shin, I believe you have some different beef in Japan. It's a bit different structure.
Yes. In
You
Japan,
call it Kobe.
yeah, Kobe
also.
beef. I think this beef is very famous. It's incredibly fatty, greasy meat.
It's very marmorated.
Marmorated.
Okay. So there's a legend. They give beer to Kobe beef to drink, and they massage the cows. Is that true?
Yeah, this is true. The beef, it's passed a lot of tests.
Yes.
Only high rank of beef can be called.
Also, they make a
Cool.
selection, and the
Yes.
best cows become the Kobe beef.
Yes. This test is very strict.
Huh? Okay.
That's why this beef is really
So
expensive.
expensive.
Yeah.
Yes, of course. So why do we slice the beef so thin?
Because Japanese beef, it's really greasy.
Okay.
If I cut thick, then you cannot eat. It's too greasy. And sukiyaki is kind of the best way to eat this greasy meat.
Okay. Torej, Shin je, kakor je rekel, oni uporabljajo bolj masno govedino, zato jo režejo toliko na tanko. Mi pa bomo vseeno probali z našo govedino, ki je bolj mesnata, poustvariti to japonsko jed. Ta čas sem jo že narezal zelenjavo, jo bomo samo blanširali za minuto, nato bomo nadaljevali s pudingom. Zelenjava je kuhana. So Shin, you cut it out a piece of flour from the carrot. What does it represent? Why did you do this?
Because in Japan we kind of represent kind of nature,
In
showing
every
on
dish.
on the plate.
Okay,
So we sometimes cutting carrot into the flower shape.
okay, so this flour will represent summer, spring in our pudding,
Yes.
and when we eat, we'll see flowers in our pudding.
It's going to be cherry blossom this season.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Torej, naš korenček bo v našem pudingu predstavljal spomlad. Japonci so zelo nagnjeni k predstavljanju letnih časov na krožniku in v jedeh. Tako, Shin je končal z rezanjem mesa. Zdaj bo narezal tofu, ki je bil posušen, ga bo popekel, nato bo nadaljeval z zelenjavo. Jaz bom pa zmešal dashi. So, Shin, we have some industrial dashi here, right?
Yes. First of all, we boil this paramida, and then this product from this water,
Okay.
boiled water,
Yes.
becoming this product. So
Okay.
basically, this powder, made out
It's
of paramida.
made from palamida and also some
Yes.
seaweed.
Seaweed. We call kombu
kombu seaweed.
seaweed. Yes.
Okay, but we can also use palamida as grated.
Yeah. When we cook soup, we
okay.
grind like this.
Tako, to je pravzaprav naribana, nastrgana palamida, riba posušena, iz katere naredijo naš dashi, ki je njihova znana začimba. Palamidi dodajo kombu alge, jaz bom pa žličko tega dashija zmešal z vodo in v to vodo ubil eno jajce. So, okay, Shin, do you have maybe any other spices than dashi? You have a lot of vegetables, something special.
Yes, we have wasabi, that is famous.
The
We use
ginger.
ginger, fresh ginger also. And we also use a lot of time yuzu. Yuzu is Japanese lime.
Okay.
We use especially this skin. This skin has
The
very
peel.
strong, unique
Aromatic
smell.
flavor. Torej, veliko uporabljajo tudi wasabija, ki je japonski hren, je zelo živo zelene barve in tudi malo bolj pekoč kot naš navadni hren. Uporabljajo pa tudi limeto yuzu, ki je podobna naši limeti, ki jo poznamo, le da je nagrbana in ima še veliko bolj aromatičen okus. Večinoma uporabljajo njegovo lupinico. Tako, Shin je začel rezati zelenjavo, jaz sem zmešal jajca, Vse skupaj bom z piščancem in zelenjavo zmešal v kozarec in postavil v pečico na kuhanje.
Za čavan muši potrebujemo 4 jajca, 200 ml dašija, 100 ml mleka, 4 šampinjone, 50 g piščančjih prsi, 20 g jetrne paštete, 50 ml sakeja, sol, 4 šparglje, 100 g korenja, 100 ml smetane in 20 g tartufate. Recept najdete na ave.si.
Sedaj imam vse pripravljeno za zmešati naš puding. Uporabil bom sito za moko. V kozarec bom najprej postavil zelenjavo. Prvo bom postavil na dno naše rožice, da se bodo lepo videle v kozarcu. So Shin, originally chawan mushi, it's served in ceramic cups.
Yes, yes. The chawan means ceramic cup for tea. Tea cup,
okay.
and mushi is steam. So it's steamed.
Steamed tea
Tea
cup
cup,
of
yes.
eggs. Okay. Tako da tukaj se bomo malo odstranili od tradicije, postregli bomo v kozarcu, da bomo lepo videli strukturo pudinga. Kuhali ga bomo na 80 stopinj pod paro, približno 10 do 12 minut. Nato pa bomo na njega dodali še našo tartufno peno. So Shin, I see you have some noodles. Are these some typical Asian noodles?
Yes, it's made out of konjac potatoes.
Ah,
Yes, it's calories very low, and we use for diet food as well. This one, it's very tasty.
tako, jaz sem precedil naša jajca. Zdaj bom našega piščanca zelenjavo zalil. Pokrijemo z živilsko folijo in postavimo v pečico. Japonci ponavadi uporabljajo tak poseben kuhalnik za to, ampak ker naša pečica dovoljuje tudi kuhanje na pari, bomo uporabili. Tako naštimamo na kuhanje v sopari, 96 stopinj. Mi bomo spustili po tradicionalno približno 90 stopinjah in kuhali približno 10 minut. Tako, naš puding se kuha, vse, kar mu še manjka, je na koncu malenkost tartufine pene. Shin je popekel tofu, narezal zelenjavo in govedino in lahko se lotimo pečenja naše glavne jedi. Z Shinom bova zdaj začela s pripravo naše glavne jedi, z sukijakijem. Začela bova tako, da bova lito železno posodo premazala z govejim lojem, da dobi fajn okus po govedini. Nato bova notri popekla tanke rezine govedine iz obeh strani. Ko bo popečeno, bova malo posladkala. Nato presenetljivo bova to pojedla ven. Pustila bova v posodi okus od govedine, dodala vso zelenjavo in pa prelila z omako iz sakeja, soje in mirina. Mirin je sladko vino japonsko, sake je žganje. We can start, Shin.
Yeah.
So if you can tell me, do you have any other traditional main dishes or famous dishes in Japan?
Yeah, we have sushi,
Of course,
of
we all
course,
know
and
that.
also tempura. Tempura is fried vegetable and
Okay.
fish,
Okay.
and also soba. Soba also.
Soba.
These three is the biggest dishes in Tokyo.
Okay,
Used to be.
So why in Tokyo?
Tokyo is there's a biggest market, food market called Tsukiji.
Okay.
Have you ever heard Tsukiji?
Yes, of course, it's the biggest one. Torej, Japonci imajo tudi največjo ribarnico na svetu, letno prodajo na tržnici 55.000 metričnih ton rib. In tako da je velika verjetnost, da če jeste v Ameriki ali v Evropi suši, dober suši prihaja ravno iz te tržnice. Kakor je Shin rekel, zelo znana jed je tudi tempura. To je v bistvu vsa zelenjava, ki jo najdejo na tržnici in je sveža. Jo namočijo v škrob, moko, podobno kakor mi cvremo zelenjavo v drobtinah. Oni cvrejo samo v moki in škrobu, kateri dodajo alge, kateri ne. lahko dodajo ribe, cvrejo, zraven pa postrežejo ponavadi neko kiselkasto omako. Potem imamo tudi tu seveda sushi, shin. So there's many types of sushi, many kinds. Is it also that popular in Japan like it is in the whole world?
We don't eat sushi every day. It's really
Awesome.
special food.
You eat it at special occasions,
Occasion, New
celebrate.
Year's Eve, for example, New Year's party.
Okay.
Yeah, and
so-
other.
I heard you have some special fish in Japan that can kill you in 2 minutes. I think it's
that
fugu
is-
fish.
Yeah, fugu.
So I heard you worked in a fugu restaurant.
Yes, I have worked in Asakusa, it's in Tokyo.
Okay.
Yeah, fugu is very special food because I haven't found any food like fugu. This meat is very chewy, like
okay.
scarpena, but much chewier,
Much chewier.
and tastes like pork, but without any grease, any fat.
Oh, okay.
It's very tasty and also healthy. And
But it can
has-
kill you.
Yes, yes. That's
Okay.
why, yes, some region it's called
Okay.
gamba. Gamba means coffin. And people
Okay.
used to say, I must eat this fugu fish, even though I must be in the coffin afterwards. Then they call gamba, and also other region call fugu teppo. Teppo means rifle. If you get shot, then you will die. So
Okay.
it's kind of joking around poison and also the rifle.
So Shin, since you worked in a fugu restaurant, have you tried the fish?
Yes.
Oh, I'm happy you're still alive. You're not in a coffin.
It's okay, yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Torej,
you.
so Shin, we turn the beef once around
Yep.
and then we try. Tako, popekli smo govedino, zalili jo z prvo omako, počakamo malenkost, da se pokuha. Shin nama je pripravil, tako kot delajo na Japonskem tradicionalno, vsak ima svojo posodico, v njej imava sveže naribano repo, v katero bomo nato namakali rezine govedine.
You're ready to eat?
Yes.
Don't worry,
Looks
it's not
juicy.
fugu.
It's no fugu, I won't end in a coffin.
No.
Okay, so Shin, originally, traditionally, you eat this not with turnip, but with raw egg.
Raw egg, yes.
You put raw egg in, and then you dip the beef in raw egg and eat it.
Yes, yes.
Okay, then
But
you
today we try with
a
grinded.
little bit more
Yeah,
fresh
radish.
and not so dangerous for
Yeah.
diseases. Okay,
Yeah.
let's try. Very fresh. Meso je pravzaprav kombinacija slano-sladkega, ta repa res da neko svežino. Sicer bi po mojem bilo še boljše, če bi imeli originalno njihovo govedino, ki bi bila bolj mastna, bolj sočna, ampak tudi naša slovenska govedina je zelo dobra. Takole, z Shinom sva pojedla našo prvo stopnjo, naše meso bilo je odlično. V sami posodi sva pustila okus govedine, aromo. Zdaj bova lepo, Shin bo lepo zložil zelenjavo, tofu in rezance v posodo, zalila bova z drugo omako, pokuhala 2 minuti in jed bo pripravljena za serviranje. Tako, naš sukiyaki je gotov in pripravljen, da se ga poje. Glih tako se nam je skuhal naš chawanmushi puding. Uporabili smo steklen kozarec, lepo vidimo, kako se razporedile stvari. Ko ga jemo, pa pridejo do izražaja tiste rožice, ki smo jih dali noter. Zdaj nam manjka samo še tartufna pena za pašteto. Zmešali bomo smetano, mleko, pašteto in pa tartufato. So, Shin, have you tried any Slovenian desserts that were good?
I like this 8 layers cake.
Oh, so you like prekmurska gibanica.
Yes.
You like it? Was it
Yes,
good?
I do, yeah.
Okay. Good. Torej, manjka nam samo še tartufna pena. Tole bomo zmenili skupaj, potem pa segrevali do 50 stopinj. Istočasno bomo penili in dokončali naš puding. Torej, naredili smo našo peno, cela kuhna diši po tartufih, z žlico zajamemo. So Shin, I think we deserve a glass of wine with the food. I have some, it's called Zeleni Silvanec in Slovene. It's a dry white wine. I'll give it a try. I think it would really go well with the pudding and the sauce of the sukiyaki. So Shin, should we try?
Yep.
Cheers.
Cheers.
How do you like it? Is it good?
This is very good.
Excellent.
This goes well with the pudding.
pudding.
I think.
So Shin, thank you for this wonderful experience.
Hvala lepa. It was a great pleasure to show you my knowledge. Thank you.
Excellent. Vam gledalci pa en lep dober tek.
Dobar tek.